Morning! So, hi guys! Dito sa camera, ang tayo mo nila ang gift. Ay, tuyo. Pagkamagtaw. Sige, good morning. So, dumating na yung order natin. Try naman natin kung ano ang itsura ng ano yung quality ng dress pag nag-order ka online. So, yung pangalan is Sherry. I think ito yung seller. Pero magandang seller siya, guys. Magandang quality ng seller according sa review. At maganda din yung seller actually.
Perfect.
Pero si wife ang nag-select. Okay, so ito na siya. Wow! So we ask for the seller to send the characters. So the first one is Mickey Mouse. Okay, try natin.
It's my favorite thing.
Huh?
It's my favorite.
It's your what? It's your favorite thing? So ito. Okay. Oh, I think we informed the seller na 5 years old yung baby ko. So, try natin. Wait lang. So we will we will try the other thing. Please spray me. Wow. So that baby. Baby. Everything. Wow. Try it din. So ang tawag dito overhaul. Hey. Wow.
Terno.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay, so
Wow.
Hindi pwede mo morning.
wow.
Dulong pa.
Wow.
Huh?
Wow.
Sweet ang picture sa kong.
Wow.
Okay. Okay, so next is go. Okay guys, so next is na-try na rin yung pakita mo, yung Mickey Mouse. So next is wow. So this one is
Barbie. Princess Magic.
Princess Barbie. Okay, so we will try this. Okay. This is the second one, the Barbie. Yay! Okay, so let's go to the third one. Oh. Wow. What's this? What's this? Ano to? Ano to? HelloKitty. Okay, so we'll try this. Okay, so this is the third one. HelloKitty. Okay, so let's go to the fourth. Okay, picture. Ano naman, approve naman. Fourth one. Okay. So this one, parang may laman pa. Oh, may laman nga. Ito, ano to? Wow! So, meron siyang, meron siyang
Unicorn.
wow!
Unicorn.
Unicorn? Woo! So, let's try. Sit down there. Sit down. Tapos, and Sophia is also yellow. Here, watch. So much. Okay, so that's the fourth one. Thank you so much. Sabihin mo, thank you so much, Happy. Thank you, seller. Okay, bye-bye. We're back. So, natapos natin pag-overhaul ng shirt ni BB Kate. So, yung price ng Terno doon ay 86 pesos. So, i-mark natin siya na receive. So, yan siya. Yan. So, kids character is 86 pesos. So, apat yung binili namin. Tingnan natin. So, apat yung binili namin. At may shipping fee na 100. So, supposed to be 444 yung mapayaran. Kaso may discount tayo na 86. So, 358 yung binayaran natin. Yan. And, mamark ko siya na receive. Okay, and we will also provide a review for that seller. Okay, so ito na yan guys, yung if you watch our last video or tutorial on how to use Aura Creator, as you have noticed before, yung isang color lang. Okay, but dito ngayon na ano natin na perfect natin dito ngayon. So dito sa Aura Sync na to, okay, pakita ko lang sa inyo. Okay, so we were able to ang gawin mo lang pala guys, yan o. So may color siya, ngayon naka-static siya. Yan. Okay, pakita ko lang sa inyo. So yan. Babe, can you turn off the lights please? So pakita ko lang sa inyo. Ito yung demo 1, demo. Yan. So breathing, to change the color guys, when you click this one, ito makikita nyo dito. Oh, when you click this one, oh, makikita nyo ito sa side, then doon kayo mag-change. Yan. 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 So, ay, na-cover ng kamay ko. So, when you click this one guys, so dito, yan, mag-change nyo yan dito. Pag nag-click nyo dito, highlight nyo dito. Sa right side, you click this one and then pwede mo na siya ma-change. So ngayon, i-run through natin. Yan. So naka-static. Tapos nag-breathing. Okay. What? Yan. You like your dress. Yan.